happy or sad? Yay! I is happy. Okay, teacher is happy too because I is happy. All right. Wow, that's nice. Wow. All right. Are you ready to learn today? I mean tonight? Wow. What's that? Oh, it's a paper. Can you say it's a paper? How about that one? What's that?
Page.
A paint or a pencil?
A pencil.
Yeah.
I love pencil.
You love pencil. All right. How many colors? Can I see what colors are there? Oh, lots. Wow. What is your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Very good. How old are you, I? What's that? It's yellow?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Yes, that's right. How old are you, I? Are you 5? Are you 5 years old? 5? Yes, 5 years old. All right. So, can we start? Do you know what is the song or Ram Sam Sam? I mean dance or Ram Sam Sam dance? Just like Ram Sam Sam or Ram Sam Sam. Guli guli. You like that? Yeah. Yeah. So we can, yeah, we can dance. All right. So let's dance. Guli 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 rams. Okay. So let's dance first before we start our lesson. All right. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. All right. So let's dance. Can you? All right. So let's dance, but let's just sit down. All right. So our hands will just gonna move. All right. Arabic guli 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 ram sam sam.
Sorry, teacher. I can't hear.
Guli 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 ram sam sam. Okay, you will do it just like this. Okay, you will do it just like this.
Sorry, teacher. I can't hear it. I can't hear.
Ah, you can't hear? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I just need to volume up. How about this one? Can you hear it now, ma'am?
No.
Not yet? Oh.
Not yet. Yes.
All right. How about that one?
Please.
No?
No, not yet.
So, okay. Since you cannot hear it, so let's just sing it. All right? Ram sam sam. All right. So we will just sing it. Okay, we will do it just like this one.
I don't see a bird.
You don't see the video? Oh, it's okay. So we can dance. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, we can dance it just like this one. We will just do it 2 times. All right. So ram sam sam, pat your lap, and just like this one. All right. So let's just do it. Okay. Ram sam sam, ram sam sam. Guli 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 ram sam sam. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Go! Ram sam sam, ram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam sam, Arabi. All right, very good. Okay, so let's now proceed to our lesson. Oh, Arabic, guli 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 ram sam sam. You're so good. Very good. You're good at dancing. All right. Okay, let's start now. Okay. How about this one? Can you see my screen? Can you see it?
No.
Yes?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So just listen, point, and say. Okay, just listen to this one. All right? How about this one? Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes.
Yes.
Walking.
One. Very good. Walk. Oh, walk, walk, walk. Wow, you're so good. How about this one?
Running.
Running. Yes, very good. How about
Rowing.
this one? The number 3. Let me just do it.
I don't know.
How about this one? What's that?
Jumping.
Skip. Can you say skip?
Keep.
Skip.
Keep.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
Keep. Keep.
What's that?
I don't know.
Jumping or jump.
Play. Yeah.
Okay, can you say jump?
Jumping.
Okay, can you say it again? Jump. All right, just like that one, jump. Okay, can you say jump, jump, jump?
Two. One.
Okay,
Three is a tape.
yeah, okay.
It's a jumping.
Jump. Okay, can you say jump, jump, jump? Can you say it? Can you say it? Jump, jump. That is very good. All right. So, again, can you say jump, jump, jump? All right, again. Can you say it?
Jump, jump.
Very good. Good job, I. So, because of that, you've got a star. Wow. You like the star?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
two is a powder.
Wow, yeah, we will put that in there. We're gonna put it. Wow, yes, Elsa. Hi, Elsa. All right. So next.
My doing and doing a picture.
Yes, a
Oh.
picture. Yeah, that's so cute. All right. How about this one? Can you say this one more time? Red. Yes, that's red. How about this one? Can you see this?
Yellow and blue.
Yes. Say, how about this one? Can you say it one more time? Skip.
Skip.
Yes, again. Skip.
Skip.
Yes, very good. Because of that, you've got, what's this?
It's a cake.
Yeah, it's a
Yum,
cupcake. Nom nom. Grab a bite, grab a bite. Grab a bite. Yum, yum. Teacher too. So yummy. Yes, so yum. All right. So when someone gives you something, what will you say? What will you say? Okay, drinking water. All right. Okay, when someone gives you something, mommy gives you water, what will you say?
Okay.
You say, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, mommy. Can you say, thank you, mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
All right. So can you say to teacher, thank you, teacher, for the cupcake?
Cake.
All
Yum,
right.
yum.
Nom. So what will you say when teacher gives you cupcake? What will you say? You say,
Thank you,
thank
mommy.
you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you are welcome. All right, so next. How about this one? Can you say this one more time? Run.
Run.
Okay, can you say it again? Run, run, run. Can you say it again? Run, run, run.
Run, run, run.
Yes, very good. High five. High five.
And the
Yeah, very good. How about this one? What is this again?
thank you, teacher.
Yeah, thank you. You are welcome. All right, how about this one? What is this again?
Walking.
Walking or walk, just like this one.
Running.
Walk.
Running.
Yes. All right, this
And I got
yeah, this one is run or running. All right.
running.
You're so smart. I is so smart. Yes, she's so smart. All right. So next, we will proceed to the next one. Listen. Listen and point. All right. All right. All right. What is the boy doing in here?
Good.
He is? He is? Walking. Yes, very good. It's the boy is walking. How about this one? The girl. Doing? What she's doing?
Running.
Skipping. Skipping. Yes, skipping. Can you say it again? Skipping.
Eating.
Very good. High five. You're so smart. All right, how about this one? Right, how about this one? What she's doing? Running. Yes, very good. How about this one? The boy is? Jumping. Yay, jumping. Yes. You're so smart. Because of that, you've got... What's that? Apple. Yeah, you like apple? Do you like apple? Nom, nom. Grab a bite, grab a bite. Grab a bite. Mmm, so yum. All right, what is the color of the apple?
Red.
Red. Very good.
Mark, exactly. Red is tomato and red. Apple and red. And tummy and red.
Yes, the tomato is red and the apple is red too. Do you like apple?
I see a water.
You will drink a water. All right. All right, so next.
Using
Okay,
a water.
drinking water. So again, thank you, mommy, for the water. All right. How about this one? Listen. Listen to this one. Listen and say. Okay, listen first. Okay. How about this one? I can walk. Can you say I can walk?
And here sing song.
Okay, can you say it again? I can walk.
I can walk.
Wow, very good. Great job. Oh, how about this one?
I
Can you say I can run? Okay, can you say
run.
I can run?
I can run.
Very good. How about this one? Can you say I can skip? I can skip. Yeah, very good. High five. I can. How about this one? Number 4. Listen. Listen. All right. So can you say it one more time? I can jump. I can jump. Can you say it one more time? I can jump. Wow, very good. You're so smart. Because of that, you've got a prize. Dun, 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 dun. What's that? What's that? Wow, it's an ice. Yum, yum, yum. So yum. Do you like ice cream? Oh, drinking. You like drinking water.
And I love singing
Water. Yes. Do you like ice cream? Yes. Ice cream is so yummy. Okay, next. So we can sing now. So we can listen. Listen.
I am walking. I am walking. I am running.
Okay, sing. Let's sing. Let's sing. I can walk, 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 walk. I can run, 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 run. I can skip, 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 skip. I can jump, 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 jump. Again.
I walk, walk, walk.
Run. I can run.
I run.
Skip.
I am sitting.
I can jump, jump, jump.
I jump.
Wow.
Jump,
Again.
jump,
Walk, walk.
jump.
Run, run, run. I can skip, 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 skip. I can jump, 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 jump. Skip. I can jump, jump, jump. Wow, you're so good. Okay, again, can you tell me what is this again? This one. What is this again? One more time. What is this again? This one?
Walking.
Yeah, very good. How about the next one?
Running.
Running, very good. How about the third one? What's that? Skip. Skip.
Sheep.
Skip.
Skip.
Yes, very good. How about this one? What's that? It's
Pig.
that. This one.
Running.
This one. You look to my hands. It's
Walking.
jumping or jump. Yeah, can you say it again one more time? Jump. Can you say it again? Jump.
Jump.
Very good. Because of that, you've got a
Hamburger.
hamburger. Nom nom nom. So yummy. Teacher too. Nom 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 nom. So yummy. All right. So I is so smart. All right. So let's go to the next page. All right, next. Okay, listen.
What is it here? Lucky sir. What is it?
What is this? What is this?
Swimming.
Swimming. Very good. How about this one?
Jumping.
This one?
Singing.
No. Okay, again. This one?
Singing.
What is this?
Sing.
What's that? It's dance. Can you dance? Just like what we did. Some dance. This one, it's dancing. And how about this one again? Swim. Swim, right? Okay, how about this one? This one.
I don't see a book.
You don't see the
No.
book?
Yeah, look here.
How about this one? No.
Yeah. It's all here.
You can see it?
No, not see.
Why? Okay, let me just try it one more time.
No,
That one. Can you see it now?
you see it.
Yes.
Look.
Look. All right. Look. Okay.
H.
What is this again? This one.
No, see.
Dun, dun, dun.
Here. H.
Sing.
And the I don't see it.
You don't see it? Okay, again. All right. Again. Let me share again.
Go.
That one. That one. Can see it?
Yes. Here.
This one. Can you see this page or screen? Can you see it?
No.
No?
No.
How about that
No.
one?
No.
Still no?
I don't see it. Only a walk.
All right. Can you, this one?
A walk.
Okay, again.
Tail.
This one, can you see this now?
Tail. They're gonna say it for me.
All right. So what do you like to do? Gabel asked you, what do you like to do? Do you like to walk? Do you like to run or skip or jump?
Okay, I do it.
You can see it now? Or what do you like to do? Do you like to walk?
La 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 la.
All
Yes.
right. Do you like to walk? Do you like to run or skip or jump? What do you like to do? Me, I like to run. I like to run.
I like candy. Cake.
Okay, how about you? What do you like? Do you like to skip?
Yeah, I like cake.
Okay, can I
Skip.
see you skip?
I like cake.
Can I see you skip?
Mom, I like in the cake.
Okay, can I see you skip?
What?
Water. All right. I think that's all for tonight. You're so smart. You're so smart. So let's just stop for tonight. But let me give you a feedback first. You're so energetic. You did a great job today. You participated well in our class. And kindly please read this. Okay, can you practice reading this word? This word and this word. Can you practice it with your mom? The word skip.
Mommy.
All right. So I think that's all for tonight. And did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes, teacher too. Okay, I hope to Okay, I hope to see you next time.
Milk. Yeah.
Drinking water.
I look see a book.
Yes, because we're done. Because we're done. That's all for tonight. So I guess that's all for tonight. So practice the word. Practice reading the word skip. Practice this word. All right. Practice this word and we will work on that next time. Okay. So that's all for tonight. Bye-bye. Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, Ai. Good night.
Mm.